Welcome back. SpiceJet airline has hit turbulence with all of its flights from Delhi IGI airport being cancelled till 4 p.m. The airline has been denied fuel uplift across several major stations like Delhi, Mumbai and Hyderabad, and all flights have been tentatively rescheduled in the hope that the fuel situation will be resolved. Nearly all morning flights have been cancelled or delayed. The Aviation Ministry's decision to allow cash-strapped SpiceJet to operate flights without even having money to buy fuel has cost thousands of passengers dearly. Flyers kept waiting for hours across the country as flights got delayed or cancelled.
It's a government level decision. It is not a decision of any one ministry, and this has to be taken in the whole perspective. It cannot be taken for one company. If it is a question of aviation industry of the country, then definitely government will take some decision, but this decision has to be taken by the government level, not by one minister. Yes, we have discussed all pros and cons, and we understand the problems the passengers are facing, and we feel that government is taking a decision in the wider interest of the passengers and of course the aviation industry also. It is not a good step that any company collapses in Indian aviation history.
Meanwhile, SpiceJet CEO has apologized for the disruptions, also adding that the flights scheduled to fly on or post 4 p.m. today will operate.
We're standing at the Indira Gandhi International Airport Terminal 1D in the national capital, where all SpiceJet flights have been grounded. And as you can see here at the airline booking office at the airport of SpiceJet, there is massive commotion. So we just like to speak to some of the passengers here and find out what exactly is going on. There is a lady over here who is extremely angry. Sir, how long have you been here from? What is the kind of response you're getting from the airline? Sir, would you like to tell us what exactly is going on?
You can do that.
What exactly is going on? You know what? They just booked us 6 months in advance, and today without even any cancellation, and I have boarding passes, and they're not even ensuring that I get it. Do you have any prior information that flights have been cancelled?
They are saying take your money and go back. They are just saying take your money and go back. I think that's not the way. They should have an alternate arrangement, because you all come with a baggage and you're ready to go. They're saying go back, take your money and go back.
So what is the kind of response you're getting from SpiceJet? Did you have any prior information that flights have been cancelled or delayed?
No, not at all. In fact, we were told that for the next 7 days there's not going to be any issue. Yesterday night we had a boarding passes issued and they said that there's no problem.
And you know what? He's telling me I don't care. You'll only get a refund. If you don't want that, please walk away. SpiceJet pretty much making it clear that all they can offer them at this point in time is a refund. Some of these people have booked their tickets 6 months in advance and now are left in a complete lurch. There are people who have to report to duty. There are people who are traveling to tourist destinations, completely left in a lurch with absolutely no answers from SpiceJet. So yes.
Today I got the message that the flight is at 3:20 p.m. Fine, then I came from outside Delhi, but there's no flight.
Where have you come from and where are you traveling?
I'm from Ambala.
And where are you traveling?
I'm going for Aurangabad.
Alright, so there you can see this gentleman in fact has a PNR number. His flight has been confirmed. He's got an SMS saying that the flight will depart at 3:20 p.m.
FIR we have lodged,
Okay.
and this is a police stamp here. They have assured us that they will do something, but still there were many people who have lodged an FIR. For the 7 days it has been happening, but nobody has taken any.
Where are you traveling to and what is
I have to go to Calcutta, and my flight has been cancelled 3 times.
Your flight's been cancelled 3 times?
3 times.
When were you initially scheduled to
I
travel?
was scheduled to go to yesterday at 11.
So where have you lodged this FIR and what
At
is
the police station downstairs.
So as you can see, there are passengers here who have in fact lodged FIRs with the local police station against SpiceJet. This gentleman's flight's been cancelled 3 times. They have absolutely no prior information of cancellation. They don't know when SpiceJet is in fact going to be airborne next. So as you can see, complete commotion here at the Indira Gandhi International Airport Terminal 1D in the national capital. Passengers clueless, left in a lurch, SpiceJet grounded with absolutely no answers being given to these passengers. With camera person Prem Chand Mishra, this is Rishika Barwa reporting for Headlines.